Maybe I have a solution. Okay, thank God it's recorded. So it's good that it's recorded. Then after just send them to the how to say the recording.
Yeah, but the only thing, if let's say it's recording and I put it to the group, if they watch it, if they don't watch it, also no point. Kan?
Yeah,
Okay,
lah, they must have an effort to watch lah.
yeah, that's the problem. Some people have the effort, some people don't. If they can have effort to watch, they can have effort to join the class. Okay, unless you're really sick, then understandable. Okay, so never mind. I told you the other day, you must remember for alkenes, you must remember 4H COP. Okay, 4H chop. Okay, I taught you already hydrogenation. Do you all remember hydrogenation?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
what am I using?
Basically the hydrogen will come over to combine with the how to say whatever that
Alkene.
is. Yeah.
Alkene.
Alkene. Yeah.
What is my catalyst?
Chloride.
Sorry?
Chloride.
No.
Carbon.
No.
Oh, nickel.
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 Okay, nickel or platinum. How many degrees Celsius?
180 to 200.
80 to 200.
Okay, 180 degrees Celsius, correct. Okay,
Oh.
so that's my, you must remember, after today's class, you got homework. If any one of you saw 4A, anyone saw 4A, sorry, 5A doing any homework or not?
I saw the one behind the what called the walls one.
Yeah, how you know?
How to say, because we all do a lot of Zoom calls, so I saw all of them have the things all on the wall.
Yeah, so today you're gonna do the same, huh? Okay, I'll show you an example of what they did. Okay, so hydrogenation is one. What's my second H? Halogenation. I taught you this last week. Okay, halogenation, what am I adding? I'm adding halogen. What are halogens?
Group 17.
Very good. I'm adding bromine. I'm adding usually bromine and chlorine. Yes.
Yeah, chlorine, yeah.
Do I have any temperature? I don't have any temperature
Don't
at
have
all.
temperature.
Okay, don't have. This one don't have. Okay. All right. Amit, try to get Azman also. Amit, where's Azman? Okay. You see your friend's name. Amit, try to get Afiq also as well. Okay. All of y'all on Discord, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, I'll try to reach him, teacher.
Okay, thank you. Kai just came in. Tinesh, try to get Karthik. Fitri, try to get Haidin. Keshman, try to get Lakshman. Irfan, try to get Ghazali and Arif. Fitri, try to
I
get
already
Daniel.
text Lakshman. I already text Lakshman. Yeah.
Okay, how about let me see. Somnia? Shalini or Chia, try to get Somnia. Try
Okay,
not see actually because I'm still repeating here.
Sonia already. But she didn't reply yet.
All right. Okay. Can you just update Chia? So Alwi is here, Tinesh is here, and Kai is here. Okay, so bromine gas and chlorine gas, I don't have any conditions, yeah. But this bromine water, when I add it in, okay, teacher just want to show just a recap so that you all will remember. This is my alkene. If teacher add bromine gas, normally it's Br2, but teacher writes separately so you can see clearly. I break the bond here. For those of you who just entered, please also come in into Nearpod, yeah? I go bromine here, one bromine here. So teacher will get hydrogen, 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 hydrogen.
Bottom bromine.
Bottom will be bromine. Okay? So this bromine liquid here, this is also called a chemical test. Let's say teacher has What is this? Alkane and alkene. Teacher want to distinguish which one is alkane, which one is alkene. I put bromine gas inside. Sorry, not bromine gas, liquid bromine into a little bit of alkane, liquid bromine into a little bit of alkene. Okay, you will notice that only in an alkene, my bromine, what color is bromine?
Brown.
Yes,
Brown.
okay, bromine is brown, it will change to colorless.
Colorless.
Okay, bromine will change to colorless. Very hard lah to write on Nearpod. I understand your feelings. Okay, drawing is easier than writing. Okay, so bromine will change brown to colorless in an alkene. Okay, but in an alkane, okay, there will be no color change. Okay, so far I'm repeating for you, Nia, what I taught you last week. Okay, so two things I taught you last week. Okay, today I'm going to tell you the third H. Okay, the third H is called halogen, halogenoalkenes. Okay, we are going to add hydrogen halides. Just now I added halogen only, Br. But now I'm adding the hydrogen halide. That means one hydrogen and then the other one is a Cl or hydrogen bromide or halogen iodide. The concept is the same. The first thing that you do is you always break the bond. The second thing, you take one hydrogen and put in one carbon, and the second one, the halide, and you put in the second carbon. Adi came in. Okay, so again, if I want to show you what teacher is saying, you tell me. I got double bond here. Okay, give me a hydrogen halide. What is a hydrogen halide that you like?
Easier, easiest.
HCl is the easiest. When I have an alkene group, I always break the bond. One hydrogen go to carbon, one Cl go to carbon. Okay, what am I going to get? C. Now the rest all H, teacher think you should already know. So I'm not going to waste my time here. Okay, and then here we'll have H, here we'll have Cl. Okay, so this one I call here adding of hydrogen halide. Okay, this is what I call hydrogen halide. Are we clear?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so again, this one is too easy. I don't want to waste my time here. Okay, so again, it's from unsaturated because I got double bond. I will get saturated. Okay, from unsaturated to saturated. So mostly whatever's happening here is you can see that it's a unsaturated compound becoming a saturated compound. So just now I put a Cl here. What is the name of this? Chloroethane. Okay, if let's say teacher change this Cl to Br, what will it be?
Bromo.
Bromo.
Bromo?
Ethane.
Ethane. If I change to iodine?
Iono.
Iodoethane, correct. Okay, practice, practice. Okay, now are you ready to start your activity?
Yes,
Two,
yes.
2 minutes. You must write the chemical equation when propene, propene has 3 carbons, yeah? Okay, propene is 3 carbons, reacts with HCl. Okay, start now. Those of you yang belum join Nearpod, cepat join Nearpod. 1 more minute. When I say chemical equation, you no need to draw the structure. Okay, never mind. If you do already, leave it. Don't erase because only 45 minutes time. It's okay. I asked for chemical equation. Don't erase. No need to erase your work. Don't erase. 30 seconds only left. Okay, 26 seconds quickly. Finish, you can submit your work. Eight, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so we'll go through each person's work, yeah? Okay. All right, so let's look at Chia's answer. Okay, so Panda, she went and put the equation on top there, so correct. Ethene is propene is C3H6. That's why you must know homologous series. You must know general formula. General formula of an alkene is CnH2n. So when n is equals to 3, you can put C3H6 plus HCl. Yes, you are going to get the answer C3H7Cl. Actually, Charles' answer is wrong, because they asked for chemical formula, but a chemical equation, but Chia drew a structure here. Chia, are you listening to teacher?
Yes, teacher.
So but it's okay. Here we're just practicing, so no problem. I'm just pointing out. Okay, Wong put C3H8. Is C3H8 a propene?
It's propane.
It's propane.
Yes.
So that's why I'm telling you general formula, functional groups, all these must memorize. Okay, Tinish, you put C3H6 plus HCl. Okay, but what's your answer, Tinish?
The times are brief.
Okay, doesn't matter. Again, Shalini also, C3H8. Okay, here is wrong. Shalini, where's your answer?
Time's up, teacher.
Okay, is it very hard to write? 2 minutes to write that.
Oh no.
No, I mean, Fitri also didn't finish. Is it very hard to write? Because you all got no pen, is it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yeah.
Okay, so again, Fitri, C3H8. Salah. Cikgu minta propene, bukan propane, Renat, CH3, CH, double bond, CH2. Renat, this one 4 carbons, Renat. Cannot, Teacher asked for propene. Propene is 3 carbons. Must know the functional group. Maitali drew for me the structure. I'm asking for chemical equation. Yeah, must be careful. Farid, C3. He's giving the answer. Okay, I saw the answer here. Correct, but I want the chemical equation. Anik. Okay, Anik tried his best, yeah, but again, he's giving me the structure. But if I want to look at it, yes, it is correct, yeah. Propene plus HCl, I get chloropropene, correct. But I want chemical equation. Isaiah, what happened here, Isaiah?
Yes, sir. I didn't finish.
Okay, didn't have time to finish the H, but the writing quite nice. Ben.
Teacher, I didn't put it actually.
Okay. But the concept is correct, You're putting in the Cl correctly. Okay, Alwi. C3H6 plus, bukan arrow, plus HCl. Okay, I'll be something wrong here. Cannot understand. Okay, Sanjeev, halfway. What happened, Sanjeev?
Time's up, teacher.
2 minutes tak cukup. Keshman wrong. Ame wrong. Adi. Z. Okay, back to Chia. So now do you all understand what teacher is saying here?
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Okay, so we are going to do a lot of practice. I think Zawabi is coming in. He put there Chem. The only one person that will constantly change their name. Okay, so I've taught you 3 H's already. Today I'm going to go to the 4th H, hydration. Okay, what do you understand by hydration? What must I add if I'm putting hydration? Dehydration. Teacher, I'm so
Water.
Water. Dehydrated means not enough water. Hydration means I am going to add
Hydrogen water.
okay, I'm going to add water. But I cannot add water simply. No such thing, no reaction. The water actually must be in steam form, okay, in gas form. And I must have 3 different things. The conditions are very particular. Phosphoric 5 acid, H3PO4, 300 degrees Celsius, 60 atmospheric pressure. You must have all 3. Okay, you cannot say, teacher, I don't know. Teacher cannot. Okay, so if I'm going to do for you the marking, the working, yeah. Again, I'm going to take a ethene group. Okay, when teacher's adding water, I'm going to put HOH. Water, right? HOH.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'm going to put one C here and the other OH here. Okay, I'm going to change the, okay, before that, I rewrite everything. I get a single bond when I break it. I write back all my hydrogens. Okay, now my bond is broken. I must have, a carbon must always have 4 wives. I got 1 wife, 2 wives, 3 wives. Okay, one of the hydrogen going in, I put another wife here. The OH going in, I put a OH here. And if you notice, even this carbon got 4 wives. 1 wife, 2 wives, 3
Sure.
wives, 4 wives. Yes.
So before the equal, right? There can only be one carbon, is it?
Before the equal, what do you mean?
The equation there.
C double bond C, is it?
Yeah, double bond. Yeah, sorry. So
It's not.
there can only be one stage before that, is it?
No, no, no. I'm using an example of carbon, ethene. You can put butene, you can put propene, you can use anything. What is your question actually, Sanjeev? Let me show you. Are you, let's say I use 4 carbons. Your question is, do I need to put a double bond in the first carbon only, is it?
Yeah.
You're talking about this, is it?
Yeah, sure.
No, I can also put my double bond in my second carbon. Would you like to see an example of that? I also can put it here.
Yeah, can sure.
Okay, let me just finish this one and then I'll do for you this example, yeah? Okay, before teacher do this example for you, can I ask you to name this for me?
Me, yeah, sure.
No, not you, anyone in this group.
Okay.
Who wants to try?
Eating.
Okay, so correct. I got 2 carbons. So when I have this is OH is an alcohol group. Whenever I have alcohol, so first I will write down, I have ethane here. Okay, this is 2 carbon ethane. Then I take out the E, alcohol. What am I? Very good. Alcohol. Wait. Alcohol, I'm ending with OL. So I take out the E and I put in the OL. So ethanol.
That's all, sir.
That's all. Because I only got 1 OH. What?
Sir, but if
Yeah, can I ask a question?
Wait. So one by one.
Tidish, go first.
teacher, if you've got 2 OH means it's still
So if I got
propanol.
2 OH, it will be ethane dash 1
Oh,
dash comma 2 dash diol.
oh.
If
Okay,
I have
okay.
got 2 OH, both also OH, I'm going to teach you shortly later. It will be ethane. I still maintain the ethane. Then where is my OH? Carbon 1 and carbon 2, correct?
Yes.
And then I must end with the all, isn't it? But I've got 2 alls. So I put there diol. Not everybody die, yeah? Diol. I'm going to teach you shortly.
Teacher.
Okay. Let me do the question that Sanjeev asked, yeah? Okay, Sanjeev is asking, teacher, how I've got 4 carbon or 3 carbon or whatever, and then the double bond is here. No problem. I still do H and OH. One H go to this carbon, the other H go to this carbon. So I still write back C, 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 C. My H is here, my OH is here. That's all.
Yeah, correct.
Okay, Sanjeev?
Yeah, teacher.
Okay. Was that what you wanted, Sanjeev?
Do the double bond, teacher, after that.
The double bond breaks what?
Oh my God. Okay, teacher.
Teacher, it breaks using heat energy or something like that, right?
Sorry?
It pecah because of heat energy. is
No,
it?
no, nothing to do with the heat. The double bond is unstable. Okay, a single bond, CH4, is a covalent bond. It's very stable. Okay,
Yes,
sorry,
sir.
I teacher got no space. Okay, this is a covalent bond. A double bond is unstable. That's why anything reacts with it, it will break.
Oh, okay.
Okay, not just only for the heat. Just now, hydrogen halide, I got no heat. What? Still the bond break.
Yeah,
The
that's
nature
reacting with a
is
substance.
reactive by nature because of my double bond there.
I see.
It's like people who are single, you sorry, teacher is not this is not an offense to anyone. I'm just making a joke out of it, okay? People who are single, they are very again, sorry if you are in a pair, if you are you bercouple, this is not meant for you. I'm just saying, if you are single, you're usually okay, better not say lah. I don't want to offend anybody, never mind.
Tell.
Okay, normally
Okay, just tell
If you are
teacher.
single, you're stable.
correct. If you're single, you're stable.
Correct lah.
Okay, but if you are not single, then let's say fight, oh, then sad, then become unstable. If let's say
It's
then
true. Yeah.
if you look at another girl or look at another guy, then your girlfriend or boyfriend angry with you are unstable.
Kaset, Gigi.
Oh, damn, throw it on.
Okay, so you get my concept, right?
Totally get it.
Okay, so actually I didn't want to say lah, okay, but all right. Anyways, you must remember your conditions, okay? Your conditions are, oh, I can't write on this. Phosphoric acid at 300 degrees Celsius at 60 atmospheric pressure, okay? Another way of writing ethanol can also be C2H5OH. You can also write CH3, CH2OH. Do you know what teacher is saying?
CH3.
CH2OH, because
Yes.
when I draw ethanol tadi,
We got
I'm
extra
drawing
OH.
like this. So you can either call it as you can actually write it C2H5OH, or this is CH3. So CH3, this is CH2, CH2, and then this is OH.
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
so two ways of writing it. Yeah. So this is what teacher is saying for you. All right. Yes. Okay. All right. So let's try some questions. Okay. I call it as hydration because I'm adding a water molecule across my double bond between the carbon atoms. Okay. So Alan is coming. I think this is time to climb, huh? Because normally time to climb is very slow one. Okay, get ready. Find your, okay, which one you want? Valentine? Are you all wanting Valentines? You want space, Himalaya? Which one you all want?
Himalaya, no Valentine.
Himalaya, sir.
Himalaya, no Valentine.
Himalaya. Okay, Himalaya, let's go. Okay, I'm waiting for you all to come.
Teacher, my Nearpod got problem, teacher. It just completely shut down.
Really?
Yeah.
Log in, refresh again, log in again. Okay, Z is here, Alvi is here, Chia is here, Sanjeev, Ame. Oh, you're looking so cool, man. Anik, Fitri. Ame, can you update that Afik is also with you, Ame, in the class group?
Sure, Jay, sure.
Okay, I'm going to start. Yeah, so teacher cannot wait too long already. Anyone else coming in? If not, teacher will start. Okay, I'll start. The time to climb is very slow one. Okay, 3 questions, 2 questions. Okay, running. Okay, next question. For those of you who cannot log into Nearpod, the question is here, so you can think for yourself. Okay, I think there's a mistake here. The mistake is what is produced when steam is added to ethene, ethene, not ethanol. Okay, so let's see who is highest here. I have Sanjeev, I've got Shalini, good job, all of you. Farid, Dinesh, okay, good, very good, all of you are trying, okay? All right, good job. Okay, teacher, go to the next part now, get ready. What are my 3 conditions that I need for hydration? I need 3 things for hydration, I keep telling you. Apakah dia?
You can ask it, teacher. Got hydrogenation, halogenation, got hydration. The other one is which one? Which one? The other one is the
Hydrogen halide.
hydrogen halide.
4H. Don't worry, today when y'all go back, y'all have to do homework. Not today, when y'all go back. When later, after class, you got homework.
Teacher, how to spell halide?
Halide. Okay, quickly, I want to
answer
answer.
the hydrochloric acid.
Okay, quickly, why no answer? Are y'all typing?
Yes, sir.
Somnia, is Somnia in my class? She joined. She joined in.
She's in.
Somnia joined in. I didn't. Or maybe she's the one that was Cam, I think. Somnia, are you Cam?
Chem.
No, because I didn't see Somnia coming in.
So is water part of it?
No. Why nobody answering my... Okay, good. Keshman answered. Keshman, you answered wrong, darling. Okay, you're Cam, all right. Somnia, can you put in the class group? Somnia, tick your name, please, darling. I think Adi. Adi, are you here? I heard Adi just now. I saw Adi. Adi, are you here,
Yes,
Adi?
Yes, teacher.
Adi, you're also here, right?
Yes.
Okay, tick your name also in the group. Okay, wrong. Not contains water. Teacher's asking, what are my 3 conditions? Yes, Dinesh answer is, Dinesh, one answer still wrong. I'm using 300 degrees Celsius. I'm using phosphoric acid. And one more.
Oh.
Okay, Chia's answer is correct. Okay, actually, Chia's answer also wrong. Water in the steam form is not part of it. Okay.
Oh.
So catalyst, yes. Pressure, yes. What's my temperature? Okay, let's move on. Apa Fitri? Wrong. Teacher's not asking for the 4H. Sanjeev, wrong. Do you all know what teacher's asking our class?
My brain very slow, sir, but I need to know 300 degrees Celsius.
Correct. I'm asking you, I'm
Okay,
asking you when I am doing hydration, bila cikgu tambah air tadi, when I am doing the question on hydration, what are the catalysts I'm using? What is the pressure I'm using? And what is the temperature I'm using? These three things.
Sir, C mine je betul tak?
Okay, let me check. Anyway, those who submitted, you still can edit your answer. Check. Wait, I'm coming. The rest of you still can edit. Okay, I'm coming to your Z. Eh, what's your name? Okay, Z, he put there 300 degrees Celsius, correct. Cikgu tak pernah ajar 70 atmospheric pressure. Tadi cikgu sebut 60. Mana hang dapat 70?
Bukan 60 to 70.
No, it's 60.
Okay.
And then I said, phosphoric acid, where you got aluminium oxide? Okay, so Amir's answer, yes, correct. Okay, Amir's answer there, correct. You can correct your work, check your work. Sanjeev, what is your answer? HCl, Sanjeev? Always answers correct. Okay, correct, Anik. Where is Maithili Farid?
Teacher, so the phosphoric acid, right, is to break it, right?
The phosphoric is the catalyst.
To
Okay,
help it break.
you want to make the reaction faster.
Yeah.
Okay, but let me go to Renette. Renette, 300 degrees Celsius. Renette, where you got solid silicon dioxide? Okay, the pressure is 60 atmospheric pressure. Where you all get 60 to 70?
I think
Where?
just not good.
Huh?
No lah, it's only 60.
60, I've taught for 14 years, I've never seen the word 70. Or have never seen silicon dioxide. Renette, where you found this answer, Renette? You Google, Renette. No, it's okay. Teacher's not angry at all. Clever, ma, go and Google. Okay? Renette, did you Google? Teacher, it's brilliant, clever that you go and Google. Good, because you can't find the answer. So teacher, I just want to know why you're getting 70 when I didn't teach 70. Okay, good. Yes, she Google. So for your level, you don't learn all this silicon dioxide. Okay? All right, there's no such thing as silicon dioxide here. We only use 300 degrees Celsius. Look at Fitri's answer. 60 atmospheric pressure, phosphoric acid. So anytime I ask you about hydration, I only want these three conditions, nothing else. Then I can ask you, the water, is it normal water or steam water? What must you answer me?
Steam.
Okay, steam answer, correct. These are things that you must know. Okay, so for those of you who got it wrong, okay, this will be your answer. Yeah, let me just share with you one person's answer. Okay, I'll share Fitri's answer. Okay, all of you can see Fitri's answer on your screen, right?
Yeah, check in.
Okay, so that would be the perfect answer that I want. All right, so now let's move on. Okay, ready? Hard to write, but you must write. What is the chemical equation between propene and steam? Start now. I didn't put a time limit, so please don't write propene and don't draw for me. I'm not asking you to draw. Okay, propene is C3H.
6.
Correct. Okay, C3H6. Steam is water.
Teacher, propane and steam, right? You get propanol, right?
Don't tell the answer lah. Don't tell the answer. Wong, why teacher cannot see you doing Wong? Wong, are you trying? Just now also I didn't see Wong trying. Maithili, are you trying, Maithili? Keshman? Where's Wong and Maithili? Kai, why teacher didn't see your name in here, Kai? Adi, you still can join. Join the Nearpod, at least you can try. Afiq, you also can join the Nearpod, Afiq, if Afiq can hear me. Okay, no problem, Maithili. Then you just watch. You try the questions on your own there then. Did anyone call Ghazali, Arif, and Daniel? Did anyone try them?
I already called them.
Then did they answer you?
Nope.
Did anyone try Thank you, Irfan. Did anyone try Azman?
Me je. I text him.
Me is Ame, is it?
Yes, I'm major.
Then what did he say? Where is he?
I don't know where he went.
Sorry?
I don't know where he went. I
Did
don't know
he
where is he.
Oh, okay, don't know where is it. Okay, did anyone try Karthik?
Yeah, I tried, teacher.
No reply, I'm sure.
No reply.
Did anyone try Haidit? Did anyone try Damien?
Yeah, teacher.
Okay, never mind. Did anyone try Ismo?
Teacher, that one I think long gone. Right?
What happened to Ismo? Actually, he's always doesn't join. What happened to Ismo actually? Is it because so many siblings using the computer at the same time?
I think he happened like Sharwin. I think
he always play PUBG at night, and he woke up late.
But the mother is a teacher also, right?
Actually, this is not true because I sleep at 3 o'clock today.
I already texted him, and he said it's hard to wake up early.
You must have the will.
Yeah, everybody's body is also different. Let me see what I can do for those who didn't come today. Okay, let's don't waste time. So let's go quickly see your answer. Okay, so okay, I want to talk about a few things here. Let's look at Sanjeev's answer. The first part is correct. And then Sanjeev put C3H8O. Answer is not wrong, but will I know this is an alcohol group?
No.
I wouldn't know. You can okay, so if I want to put another answer, Sanjeev, how will I change my answer for your? How would you change your answer?
OH.
Yeah, so I'll put C3H7OH.
Oh, okay.
Sanjay, did you get what teacher said?
No, teacher.
Okay.
You pinjam satu hydrogen go to the OH.
Because what you did was you counted the OH punya hydrogen as this hydrogen, correct?
Yes.
But teacher don't want that. I want OH to have O and H here. I want it to see it's an alcohol group.
So C3H8OH.
Cannot be 8, right? You're going to put one H here, right?
H7.
So C3H7OH. I want to see the alcohol group. Okay. Okay. So this one is another.
All right.
This one, Ami is correct in the first part, wrong in the second part. See, here got 3 carbons, here got 2 carbons.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, sorry.
But is hydrogen correct?
No. He's missing 1 carbon and 2 hydrogens. How can it be correct?
Oh, yes. Oh yeah.
Okay, so you imagine got CH3 here, got CH2, supposed to be another CH2. Then only OH. This is how I want the answer to be. C3H7OH or CH3, CH2. He's missing 1 CH2OH. I want to see the OH at the back.
Teacher, the means can do it like Sanjeev method and can do it like Amish method, no problem.
You can do, yes, you can do CH3, CH2, CH2OH, or you can do C3H7OH, yes. But I don't want C3H8O, teacher don't want. Okay, Adi, wrong, the answer there, Z. Okay, so Somnia also put C3H8O, teacher don't want like this. I want to see the OH group. Okay, I'll show you all shortly what I'm saying. Afik incomplete. Okay, this one, go to Afik. Okay, so this one is correct. See, I want to see my OH group at the back. I want to know it's an alcohol group. Okay, okay. Chia also correct. Wong also correct. Tinish also correct. Tinish wrong a bit, huh? The HOH cannot be H plus OH. It's just a bond, Tinish, this one here.
Okay, teacher.
You must say H2O. only.
Sorry?
Must put H2O, right? Sir?
You can put HOH, they won't penalize you. Okay, Shalini also teacher wants to see the OH at the back, but it's not all of you who did like that must put C3H7OH. Okay, so that oops, okay, correct, Anik. Farid, what happened, Farid? Okay, Isaiah also teacher doesn't want to see like this, yeah? Okay, correct. Alwi, teacher go back to I went to this already. Okay, so, did I do everybody's one already? Okay, but doesn't matter. I think y'all get the picture, right?
Yes, teacher.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so we don't waste time, okay? Now, I've already taught you your 4 H's. Done already, settle. Okay, now then I told you got CHOP, isn't it? 4HCOP, right?
Chop.
Yes, yes. Go.
Sometimes I wonder whether I'm speaking French to your class or not. Okay, in alkenes, you must remember 4HCOP. I just finished teaching you the 4H. Okay, do you all know what are the 4 H's?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, now the C I won't teach you because C also you should know the C is combustion. Done with you like a zillion times combustion.
Yes. They need
Okay,
oxygen.
now I'm going to go to oxidation. After oxidation, I will go to polymerization. Okay, so I settled already with you 4H and C. Now I look at oxidation. When teacher is doing oxidation, you must see this word. Wait, let me just close my husband's room door. Okay, sorry. So when I am doing acidified potassium manganate 7 solution, whenever you see the word acidified potassium manganate 7 solution, straight away in your mind already, you must remember it's oxidation, nothing else but oxidation. Anytime you see the word acidified, any acidified, it's always an oxidation question. Okay? When you react with acidified potassium manganate 7 solution, look at my product. What do I get?
Ethane 1,2-diol.
Okay, ethane 1,2-diol. How on earth did that happen? Because here, remember water, I got HOH, and then I got another O. One OH go to one carbon, another OH go to another carbon, you will get a diol. So I'm going to teach you shortly, how can I get acidified potassium manganate 7 solution? Okay, actually, I will take the potassium manganate 7 solution. I will react it with dilute sulfuric acid. That's how you get acidified potassium manganate 7 solution. Okay, there is no chemical called acidified potassium manganate 7 solution. No such thing. To make it an acidified solution, I take the potassium manganate and I react it with acid. That's why it becomes acidified. Okay, so you must remember the 5 words that comes with it. One word cannot be short of it. Acidified 1, potassium 2, manganate 3, 7, 4, solution 5. This 5 is 1 for all for 1. Cannot change it. What happens? Again, like the bromine liquid, it's a chemical test for alkenes. Same thing. Acidified potassium manganate 7 solution. It is also a chemical test for alkenes. It will decolorize my alkene. Okay. So from purple, it will become to colorless. Only happens for an alkene. Okay, so I think I have a video here for you shortly. Okay, let me show you how to get the marking scheme. Okay, let's say teacher is starting with ethane again. C double bond C. Remember, in an oxidation, I must add water and I must add bracket. This is a bracket. Look at my bracket. Is a squarish kind of bracket. Must be this kind of bracket. Cannot be any other brackets. Okay, what is going to happen? Teacher is going to erase my water first because I want to write my water as HOH. Okay, my water teacher is writing HOH. Now, what's the first thing that's going to happen in an alkene solution?
Bond will be broken.
I break the bond here. The second thing is very obvious. I have an OH group here, right? One OH group I will bring to this carbon. Now, if you notice very
So why do
carefully,
we need to break the water?
why do I need to break the
Yeah.
water? Because
Because you
Yeah.
want to have OH there.
you want an addition reaction to happen. So the molecule needs to go and react with alkene. So normally my H is a plus. Oh, sorry, wait. Hey. Normally, okay, my hydrogen is always plus. My OH is a minus. Okay, so that's why teacher always break the bond like this. Are you clear?
All right, sir.
Okay,
Yeah.
so then whatever teacher is adding here, whether it's bromine, whether it's water, whether it's anything, okay, you will always going to break the bond because you want it to go and react with alkene. So I already reacted one OH. One OH already went here. Now what is left? Can you see I've got one O here and another H here?
Combine it.
Correct. This O and this H will combine.
To
Okay,
become OH.
become OH, it will go to this carbon. So if teacher write back again, I got C single bond C. Okay, all here will be my hydrogens. What is left? Okay, remember this OH going here. This one OH coming here. Okay, and then this side, remember the H and the OH combined together, I will get another OH here. Are you all okay with this?
Yes, teacher.
Yes,
Let's,
sir.
okay, let's name it. How many carbons do I have?
2.
Two.
Okay, good. So I'm going to write ethane first, yeah?
Ethane.
Okay. Then just now, I
1,
only...
2.
Very good. So from a number to a
Dash.
number, I put a dash first. 1,
Comma 2.
2. Very good. Then dash again. How many alcohol group I have?
2.
Two.
Okay, so if I got 2 alcohol groups,
Die.
diol.
All.
Okay, diol. If let's say in the question I got 3 alcohol groups,
Try all.
Right.
triol. That means it will be example 1, 2, 3 dash triol. But cannot be ethane lah. It won't be ethane because ethane only got 2 carbons. So example, propane dash 1,
Propane.
2, 3 dash triol. Example. Okay. When this is you must know my oxidation reaction. Kalau you nampak air, it's hydration. Kalau you nampak air dengan oxygen, it is oxidation. How you know, teacher? How you know oxidation reaction? Dah you nampak oxygen dalam bracket ni, oxidation terus. Okay, it is an oxidation reaction. Okay, I'm going to stop this screen. I am going back to my uh, to my slides here. So you look, I see the oxygen in the bracket. For sure, I know it is an oxidation reaction. Okay, all right. So you look just like how I told you. One OH goes here, another OH goes here. So purple from my potassium manganate becomes a colorless liquid. Okay, so as I said just now, if teacher want to differentiate alkane and alkene, I can use bromine, liquid bromine. I also can use acidified potassium manganate 7 solution. Because both of them will react with alkene, both of them cannot react with hello?
Yeah, alkenes.
Both of them can react with alkene, but both of them cannot react with alkane. So
Alkane.
if teacher asks you, what is my chemical test for alkenes? I got 2 chemical tests. What are they?
Oxidation.
Sorry?
Hydration.
No. Chemical test. Okay, what is my chemical test for? Yes, very good. Number 1, I'm using bromine liquid. What color changes to what color?
Brown to
Brown
color.
to colors.
Okay, brown to colorless. What is another chemical test for alkene? Only alkene.
Chlorine. Potassium manganate 7.
Yes, acidified potassium manganate 7 solution. You don't have the word solution, your answer is also wrong. What color changes to what color?
Purple to colorless.
Purple to colorless.
Okay, purple to colorless. So this is the experiment. We are going to watch it. I put it on my screen. Okay, you will get the questions later. Okay, so we start. This is the experiment. Huh? Why got suit? This one you all watch already, right? For combustion.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sure.
Why did it come back again? It's not supposed to be this. Something went wrong here. Let me try this again. Wait. Try again, Yeah, there you go. So add bromine water. This one also you all watch already, right?
Yes, yes.
Ah. Okay, this is the one. Okay, you see hexene become colorless. Okay, hexene, the purple remains unchanged. Okay, today Nearpod a bit cranky, showing me all the videos again. Are you ready to write this equation? Crazy, but are you all ready?
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Start. I didn't put a timer because I know it's quite hard. So go ahead. I'm doing propane. Sorry, is there a mistake? Can it be propane? Teacher made a mistake, right? Can you see? Can it be propane? Can the question be propane or propene?
I think it must be propene je, because
Propene.
it won't react to propane.
Correct. Teacher made a mistake. Propene. Propene. So even teacher can make mistake. So please be aware of it.
But teacher, but all this propene, right? After it is done already, how to say, like done is how to say, all it all this hydrogenation, all this, right? You become an ene, right? You become an alkane, right?
No, but now when it reacts with acidified potassium manganate, it doesn't become an ane. What? It becomes two alcohol groups. What?
Oh, okay.
Can I just ask who is this person? Fitri. Kenapa Fitri tambah K2MN? Kita kena tambah air dan kita kena tambah O. Oxidation, we must plus H2O plus O. Cikgu buat dah tadi. In an oxidation, when you see the word acidified potassium manganate 7 solution, okay, that is a hint for you. I must add H2O and O, I must get 2OH group. And your O must be in the proper bracket, the square bracket. Cannot be the other bracket. Yeah. Okay, must have bracket. No bracket, wrong. On top of your arrow, if you can write, if you can write acidified potassium manganate 7 solution is good. I know cannot write sometimes. So just put APM7S. That is also okay. A for acidified, P for potassium, M for manganate, 7, S for solution. Your bracket, sorry, your arrow must be arrow tinish. Cannot be equals to. Equals to is wrong. Tinish, your equals to change to arrow.
Okay, teacher.
Afik, why aren't you drawing, Afik? Cashman also. Ben, why they kick you out already, Ben? Okay, so we don't waste time. So we look at the answer. Okay, Chia's answer. You tell me now. Let me see. Who's the last person? Okay, Afik, you check Chia's answer. Is Chia's answer correct, Afik? Ami, if he tells you, you tell teacher. Is Chia's answer correct? Yes or no, class? Or Afik, is it yes, correct or wrong?
Yes, I think. Yeah.
Okay, so Sanjeev says yes. How about your class? Is your answer correct or wrong?
Yes, sure.
Okay, for teacher will say wrong. All correct. All this almost correct. Now you go to her last part here. C3H6 OH2. Now she put OH2. Actually, my OH I have 2, right? Not my hydrogen 2, right? But my O and H I have 2, correct or not, class? So should there be
Oh,
a
wait, so you need to
bracket?
put bracket.
Correct.
Yeah, bracket
Oh
two.
my God.
Yes, the
I
bracket,
forgot to put bracket.
the O and the H here must have bracket. Open bracket at O, close bracket at O. Because if you, Chia, you put 2 here, it means only my H is 2. Padahal no, my OH I have 2. Are you following what teacher is saying? Ah, correct, she did it. Correct. Okay, now it's a perfect answer. Okay, and then she has that also, acidified potassium manganate, correct. All right. Okay, so this is a good answer here. I'm going to move on. Wong did propane. Okay, probably because teacher's fault. Huh? So she must change this C3H6, yeah? Okay, other than that, yes, that is correct. Okay, you must put acidified potassium manganate in the middle, your catalyst. Okay, correct. Tinesh. Tinesh, where's your answer? Why still in progress?
I submitted already.
Okay, so correct. C3H6 bracket OH2. All right, so correct. The answer arrow all here correct. Okay. Again, very good. H2O, O. Shalini, what happened?
I was stuck, Chair.
Okay, no problem. So, Shalini, you can actually edit now. Okay, you put a bracket, OH, close bracket, 2. Okay, so that's the answer. Okay, Fitri also correct. Okay, correct answer here.
Sure, propane C3H8, right? No.
C3H6 because I changed it to propene, remember?
Oh my God. Okay, sir.
Because I said just now I typed wrongly. I put that propane cannot react with acidified potassium manganate 7 solution. Propane only can undergo substitution and combustion. That's it. That's it. Cannot undergo anything else. Okay, only alkene can do a lot of things. 4H and COP. So Renat, okay, Renat also. Renat, the mistake here is there's no bracket. Renat, you can edit your work. Put a bracket with for the OH. Then the 2.
Teacher,
Yeah?
kalau potassium manganate, why not put KMNO
Dekat mana?
in the equation?
Because that helps the reaction. So it's in the center, which helps it become the C3H6 bracket OH bracket 2.
I know what you're asking. You're asking kenapa cikgu tak letak C3H6 plus KMNO4 eh?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, because in my reaction of oxidation, I'm not taking the potassium manganate actually. What's coming out from the potassium manganate is actually only the oxygen. This is what I want. The whole potassium KMN doesn't react with my propene. Only my oxygen is reacting with my propene.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so that's why I'm taking the oxygen. And memang because it's a solution, there will be water. So that's why from H2O, NO, that is my potassium manganate. I understand what you're saying. You're saying, teacher, they put that acidified potassium manganate 7 solution. Tapi equation tak jumpa pun batang hidung KMNO4. This H2O plus O, this is my acidified potassium manganate 7 solution. Because this is what is reacting. Not the K, not the Mn. The oxygen and the solution has water.
Oh, faham.
Okay. Kesian some of you are adik-beradik all at home. Okay, again, teacher's mistake C3H6 yang ni 6, salah cikgu. Okay, I put there propane. So this is C3H6. And then bracket, Farid must bracket the OH Farid. Okay, Anik. Okay, betul. Betul, semua ada kat sini. Okay, good. Betul, semua ada kat sini. Isaiah also. Some people can write very nicely in Nearpod. His writing is so neat. Do you all agree?
Yes,
Yes,
Chair.
sir.
Yes, Chair.
So neat to know
He
how
has
some
a
people
talent. Je.
talent, yeah, Nearpod talent. Okay, I always answer wrong. What's the mistake?
Didn't put the bracket at all.
No,
The
but
O never don't have bracket.
Yes.
Yeah.
Wrong, huh? No O at the bracket. Sorry, it's wrong. Okay, that's why I want to go through the answers one by one, yeah? Okay, betul. Sanjeev answers betul. Alright? If you can put the catalyst, for those of you yang cikgu tak comment pun, put the catalyst on top the arrow. Okay? Ame Fuyo. Ame apa ni, Meh? He drew it one by one. CH3, CH2, CH. Wow, this one must.
CH3, CH2, CH
CH2.
bracket OH je. Bracket
Tapi
OH.
betul tak? Cikgu rasa.
Salah je, saya lupa tambah kat H2O. Plus,
Because I think the H cannot be from the same carbon.
I
The
cannot.
H are from different carbons. Kan? Do you
Wow.
see? The Ame sebenarnya kalau nak buat cara macam ni, actually, then is CH3, CH bracket OH, CH bracket OH. Baru betul. Because
Okay,
we are,
understand.
Which I don't
You-
understand. Je. With this method. Je.
okay, never mind. Don't want to do this method. Anyway, I'll show you shortly later. Let me just finish everybody's answer. Okay, Adi in progress. We shall. Okay, this one is wrong. Where is the mistake? Answer is correct. Something is wrong in the answer.
Is it the bracket?
Is
or
it the
something?
catalyst?
No, the catalyst, okay lah. Memang kena tulis catalyst lah. But that's not it.
The bracket or something.
Which bracket?
There's
The
after
bracket
arrow.
after the arrow.
Arrow
Yeah.
after arrow.
The bracket at the OH cannot be like this. When you do bracket with square like this, it's only for oxidation. This is not an oxidation reaction. Cannot put bracket like that. Must use normal bracket. Okay, chemistry is that particular. Okay, so even Somnia here, also second bracket is wrong. Somnia, okay, another mistake of Somnia. Point out to me, where's the mistake?
C2.
Yeah, correct. It must be C3. Okay, so must be very careful when you make a mistake here. So Afik's answer is also correct. Okay, someone asked about Ben's, the way Ame did it just now, okay? So now let's say teacher has C3. When teacher plus H, OH, and O, okay, what am I going to get? I'm going to get C, 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 H, 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 here OH, H, H, OH. Y'all agree?
Yes, teacher.
Betul tak?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so kalau sekarang cikgu nak tulis macam cara Afiq tulis, cuba tengok. Okay, let me erase because I need some space. Let me erase all this first. Okay, Afiq, Amir tu dia tulis one by one, tak salah. Tapi kalau you dah buat salah, wrong. Okay, cara dia buat tu, his way is not wrong. His method is not wrong. Wait, what kind of eraser is this? So hard to erase. Okay. Now, let me show you what is the correct way of doing it. If I follow Amir, I do this one first. CH3. Then I do this one. What does my carbon have? My carbon has carbon,
OH.
hydrogen, OH. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then I do the next one. What does this carbon have? This carbon has CH2OH. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Tadi Amir buat
Yes, sir.
all at one particular carbon. He put this carbon got 2 OH, no such thing. For a diol, it must be in 2 different carbons. Okay? All right, so teacher doesn't want to waste time again. So Let's do a quiz. Okay, start with the quiz now. I think you've got 3 questions there. I don't even know what the questions are. I cannot remember. Okay, let me just switch to student view so I can see what are the questions. Those of you who you finish, I mean you can see the questions, you do it yourself. Okay, 3 quiz questions. Number 1, what are the 3 chemical tests for, actually 2, what are the 2 chemical tests of alkene? For this, I'm just showing like this for those of you who doesn't have Nearpod, yeah? So write down your answer. Okay, question number 2. Alamak, cannot. I must pick an answer. Okay, let's say like, okay, class, what's your answer for this?
All of the above.
See, all of the above.
All of
C.
the above, correct. Okay, what's my next question? Name the process.
Oxidation.
B.
Acidified oxidation.
Oxidation. Good. You
Oxidation.
see the word acidified, terus oxidation. Tak payah fikir.
Yeah.
What is the color change
Purple to
here?
Purple to colorless.
Okay, purple to colorless. We're almost going to finish already. Okay.
already done.
Apa ni? Okay, fine, whatever. Okay, so this one, teacher, no need for y'all to do because I've already gone through with you the 3 experiments. I've showed y'all already. So I'm going to skip. I'm going to go to my last P. Okay, my last P is polymerization. Okay, have you heard of polymerization before?
Pollination.
Yeah,
Polymerization, yeah. So polymerization happens when I have, okay, 1,000 simple molecules, and these simple molecules are called monomers. Okay, these monomers, so many monomers join together and they undergo polymerization. Teacher will get a polymer. Okay, a monomer must always have a double bond. A polymer doesn't have a double bond. So we look at a simple example here. Okay, teacher is using ethene molecules. Ethene is C2H4, correct?
yeah, chair.
Okay, ethene is C2H4. So this is my first ethene molecule, the one teacher is circling. I add another ethene molecule. Let's say I got 1,000 more ethene molecules. I add all these ethene molecules. Remember, whenever I want to start with it, is always called a monomer. And my monomer must have a double bond. Can you see the double bond here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, when I undergo polymerization, my double bond will break. Remember, in an alkene, I always want to break the bond. Okay, the double bond will break and I will get single bonds only. Okay, I'm going to teach you slightly in detail shortly, but do you get the concept here? Double bond breaking to single bond. And
Yes,
in polymer, you must draw it this way. You see, I never put the hydrogen at the side anymore. I want to see 2 carbons and hydrogen up, hydrogen down, hydrogen up, hydrogen down. Okay, so I'll show you shortly what teacher is actually talking about. Okay, so the point here is actually this. Let's say I got 1,000 monomers, 1,000 ethenes. This ethene, and after they go polymerization, they will become polyethene. Where my number n, let's say it was 1,000 just now, I break this double bond, become single bond, my 1,000 then I will put at the back. So if ethene, I'll become polyethene. Okay, let's say I got thousands of Benjamin in this school. Okay, thousands of Benjamins undergoing polymerization, I will get poly-Benjamin.
wow.
Okay, sounds weird, but yeah. Okay, so what I wanted to do is I wanted to look at what teacher is doing on my screen here. This is the last bit. Okay, it's a bit hard to understand. I will tell you that for sure. Teacher is using ethene. Okay, tell me, is this a monomer or a polymer?
Monomer.
Monomer. As long as you
Monomer.
see a double bond is a monomer. Okay, 118 teacher adding with another 18.
Then this I think is a polymer.
A what? No such thing as ponomer, kepala otak kau. Okay, now I need to show you what's happening. They will never ask you the mechanism, but I'm teaching you. The bond breaks. The bond breaks. You learn this in A level ke, form 6 ke. One bond go out, one bond go out, one bond go out, half a bond. Sorry, not one, all half a bond. That's why you see my arrow half only. Okay, so what happens is this. Teacher salin balik C, H, H. Salin balik C2, no more double bond, single bond dah. H, H, C, H, H, C, H, H. Look, I want you to look at this carbon. Cukup tak dia ada 4 wife? 1, 2, 3. Dia ada 3 wife je kan?
Yes.
What do I have to do? Remember, I showed you I put a bond out here. I have to put a bond out here. Same thing for this carbon. I only got 1 wife, 2 wives, 3 wives. Remember, I told you I put a bond out here. So I put a bond out here. Okay, so what's going to happen? I am going to close it with a bracket. Okay, let's say teacher put n amount of 18 here, then my n will come here. Do you understand what teacher is saying?
Teacher, he put a bond, but got no bond to anything.
Yeah, and because you are not seeing it bonded to other monomers. I'm closing it because no point going on. What?
Oh, okay.
Actually, if I want is 1,000 more, but I didn't. I closed the bond because I have an n value here to tell me I got 1,000 more.
What is the meaning of n, teacher?
N means unknown. That means can be any
It's a
number.
number. That means n amount of 18s.
Any amount there.
Any amount of 18 I want to add. That's why if you look at this equation here, any amount of 18, sorry, teacher cannot write on Nearpod. This is the only sad part. The n amount, I'm circling n amount of 18. Let's say 1,000 amount of 18s here. I break the bond, right? I will get 1,000 amount of poly 18s. This is the hardest thing lah, teacher think that for you all to understand will be the polymerization. Okay, so if ever you are supposed to do something like this, okay, polymerization, then you're so lost. Okay, but you know that you got CH2, you got an 18. Teacher, how to do polymerization? Teacher, I'm so confused, teacher. Don't be confused. They told you n amount of 18, right? So simple. Salin balik je. Copy ni. But now you copy without a double bond lah. Because break already, right? Put one bond out, close the bond, they put n, I put n. Finish my answer. Polymerization. Wasn't that easy?
Boleh lah, teacher.
Okay, it doesn't matter. Anyway, this is polymerization and teacher will end with that. That's all. Okay, what you need to do. That's very important, right? Okay, what you need to do. So I will show you something that some of your classmates did. Okay, I should do Gala because one was quite nice. Everybody's one was nice. Okay, let me go to my, you can see my, okay, so these are some examples, yeah? Okay, this was done, okay, this was done by some of the 5A students. Okay, what they did is for each of the one I told them for, actually I also made a mistake. I went and told them 4 chop instead of 4 HCOP. So they also all go and write 4 chop, 4 chop. Okay, but I'm reminding y'all is 4 HCOP. So I want y'all to don't follow their way, okay? You go and do your own method. I want you to go and find a place in your wall, in your dinding or whatever. For each of whatever I taught you, I want the name, I want the catalyst, I want what are their conditions, I want the equation, and what are their products. Okay, some of them who did it. I'm trying to see whether I can show you all the first one. Don't see it here. Okay, do you all understand what teacher is saying so far?
Yes, teacher.
Sir.
Okay, wait, let me see if I can find hers. Okay. Okay, my battery is going to die. Okay, see this one. Can you see?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Okay, so you don't, again, each one of the students who did, everyone had a special style. One person did in the mirror. Okay, I had a student of mine, I think 2016. She went and bought Smiggle's liquid chalk. Okay, and then her window at the back, she went and wrote all on the window. Okay, because liquid chalk anyway, you can actually do it. I show you Zahir's one. Zahir, he actually went and did on the cat and all. Have you all seen
That's not
Zahir's one?
funny, teacher.
Do it on a cat.
Yeah, wait.
It's not funny, teacher.
You all saw, no? He put it on toilet bowl also. But later on, he went and put it on the so slow to open. Okay, now I'll send to the group lah. I can't seem to open it here.
Okay, teacher.
Wait, let me just do it quickly. Ayo, so slow. Okay, never mind. It's not meant to be seen then. Okay. Wait. Okay, let me see. I put it in my. Okay, let me see if I have it. Okay. Now, the cat also kena, the toilet bowl also kena. Okay. All right, so y'all can be funny as much as you want. Teacher don't mind at all. When do y'all want to send it in? I give you all a chance to choose.
Oh.
Sunday.
Well, hutang kau Sunday. Tomorrow.
Ayo, you.
Okay, teacher. Okay.
Hey, I gave them also only 2 days only. That's it. That's all.
Okay, sir, 2 days, sir.
Yeah, lah, today and tomorrow lah. Okay, no problem. I'll see. I want to see it coming in, yeah. And make sure y'all get all your conditions all correctly, okay? If not, teacher will keep on correcting it for you. Okay, can I have your wonderful face? And Tinish, can have teacher take a photo?
Yeah, can, teacher.
Come. Okay, finally can see your faces. Oh, you cannot see mine. Okay. Finish with his glasses, huh? The rest of you, where are you? Karthik, you just came, Karthik. What happened to you? Okay, never mind. Let's take a photo lah.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Another one, 1, 2, 3. Okay, teacher.
All right, see you guys. Thank you for showing up.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you so much.
Bye, teacher.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Adi, where are you? Below the... Kat mana ni, Adi?
Kata.
Oh, the bed. Double decker, eh? Okay. Adi baru bangun tidur, eh?
Bye, teacher.
It's okay. Bye, Chia. Bye, Adi.
Bye, teacher.